How lipstick is made and packed. Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we will tell you how lipstick is made and packed. Lipsticks are an essential kind of makeup that women love to wear. When we study about the historical background of lipsticks, it is not a modern-day product. The ancient civilizations, including Egyptians, Sumerians, Syrians, and many others in the world, knew how to make makeup lips to make them look prominent. The methodologies to make them and the ingredients were strikingly different. For years, Rogue was the product to be used for a way to look good. Rogue is actually a red powder or cream that is used on lips or cheeks for cosmetic purposes. Throughout history, the shapes and sizes of the lipstick changed until it took the modern form. One more thing is that the lipstick boxes and packaging were also not the same either. It is believed that in the early 19th century, only the promiscuous were allowed to wear makeup and lipsticks in Europe. It was not until the turn of the 20th century that lipsticks in specific and cosmetics in general started to gain acceptance in the masses of society. So here in this video, we will discuss the complete manufacturing process of making lipstick. But before we move on, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. The primary ingredients for making lipstick are usually wax, oil, and pigment, and the typical ratio of oil, wax, pigment would be as follows. Wax 20 to 30%, oil 50 to 70%, pigment 5 to 15%. Sometimes alcohol is also added depending upon where you want to sell the product in the world. In certain cultures of the world, alcohol is considered unholy, and these places usually fall in the Muslim world. The wax that is used in lipstick manufacturing also falls into three different categories. 1. Beeswax. 2. Candelilla wax. 3. Camoba wax, which is more expensive. All these three waxes can be used in certain proportionalities to make the product moldable and smooth. Oils derived from minerals, lanolin, castor seeds, or vegetables are added to the wax in molten form to give the mold extra consistency. One of the most important ingredients are pigments that give the shade to the lipsticks. They are used with fragrances and scents. To prevent the staleness of the lipstick mold, preservatives and antioxidants are also used in the mold. Some of the other ingredients are also added to make the lipsticks glossier and smooth, as it moistens the lips when the lipsticks is applied on them. At the end, when it comes to the shape of the lipsticks, there is no one set criterion. It also influences the lipstick boxes when the lipstick manufacturer purchases them on wholesale. Similarly, there is no standardizations or fixed proportions of the ingredients that would be used to make a lipstick. So, in short, each lipstick vendor and company may have their own recipes that go into the manufacturing of the lipsticks, but the main ingredients will remain the same as the base components to manufacture lipsticks thus far. One thing to note is that the ingredients of the lipsticks can range from complex organic compounds to completely natural ingredients. The mixtures of these ingredients is the cause behind the properties of a particular lipstick. The fragrances are must added to the lipstick, but the compositions of fragrances makes up to only 1% part of the lipstick. So, if we generalize the proportions of all the ingredients in the lipsticks, the following is the way to go. 60% of the lipstick consists of wax and oil by weight. Alcohol and pigment make up to 25% of an average lipstick. So, let's have a look on the whole manufacturing process of lipsticks. Lipstick made in the factory is easiest to understand if we viewed it as three separate steps. 1. Melting and mixing the lipstick. 2. Pouring the mixture into the tube. 3. Packaging the product for sale. 1. Melting and mixing. First, the raw ingredients for the lipstick are melted and mixed separately because of the different types of ingredients used. One mixture contains the solvents, a second mixture contains the oils, and a third mixture contains the fats and waxy materials. These ingredients are heated in separate stainless steel or ceramic containers. The solvent solutions and liquid oils are then mixed with the color pigments. The mixture process passes through a 3-roller mill, grinding the pigment to avoid a grainy feel to the lipstick. After that, the pigment mass is ground and mixed. It is added to the hot wax mass until a desired color and consistency is obtained. Then, the fluid lipstick can be strained and molded, or it may be poured into pans and stored for future molding. If the fluid lipstick is to be used immediately, the The melt is maintained at temperature with agitations so that trapped air escapes. But if the lipstick mass is stored before it is used, then it must be reheated. Check for color consistency and adjust it to specifications. Then maintain at the melt temperature until it can be poured. 2. Molding. Once the lipstick mass is properly mixed and free of air, it is ready to be poured into the tube. The well-known metal lipstick tube was born in 1915, with first manufactured by Guerlain. Prior to this, commercial lipsticks were wrapped in paper and sold in jars, pots, or paper tubes. 2 Americans have the credit of developing this modern tube pack. The first metal dispenser was invented by Morris Levi that encased the lipstick bullet, and the pack had levers on the side to raise and lower the stick. James Bruce Mason Jr. patented the swivel-up lipstick that remains a staple of the industry today. A variety of machine setups are used depending on the equipment that the manufacturer has. The lipstick filling machine is used to stir the lipstick mass and keep it liquid until the filling part is completed. The melted mass is dispensed into a mold which consists of the bottom portions of the metal or plastic tube and a shaping portion that fits snugly with the tube. Lipstick is poured upside down so that the bottom of the tube is at the top of the mold. Any excess is scraped from the mold. After that, the lipstick is cooled by using lipstick freezing tunnel or freezing platform and also separated from the mold, and the bottom of the tube is sealed. 3. Labeling and packaging. The last step in the manufacturing process is the packaging of the lipstick tube. So, when the lipstick is retracted and the tube is capped, the lipstick is now ready for labeling and packaging. There are many packaging options available, ranging from bulk packs to individual packs, and including packaging as a component in a makeup kit or special promotional offering. It is notable that lip balms are packaged in bulk, generally with minimum protections to prevent shipping damage. The lipsticks are also packed in attractive boxes and supplied to the store and markets for sale. The lipstick boxes are very well distinguished from other cosmetic packaging like custom printed lip balm boxes that you may find on wholesale. The lipsticks and lip balms are similar products, but they have different usages. The manufacturing processes of these two have similarities also. Some of the automatic filling process can be split into 5 main technologies. Push-out mode. In this process, the lipstick bullet is pushed out from the metal mold and into the packaging. Blow-out mode. Just like the push-out mode, the lipstick bullet is blown out with compressed air from the metal mold and into the packaging component. Soft mode. In the case of a soft silicone mold, the lipstick bullet is pulled out using a vacuum system. Hybrid system mode. In a hybrid system mode, the bottom of the lipstick bullet is filled in a metal mold and the top, visible part of it is filled in a silicone mode. Center core mode. Finally, the center core mode enables the filling of different bulks in the same bullet, i.e. double and triple core. For example, a lip balm formulation may be in one core while a lipstick formulation is in another core. Different colors and formulation types can therefore be poured into different segments of the same mold. Also, noteworthy is that in the case of metal molding, release agents are required to prevent the bonding of a form to the mold itself. However, release agents can complicate the product by affecting the sheen and finish of the surface of the formulation or pose manufacturing challenges when used with bulks containing volatile silicones. We hope you enjoyed our today's video. If you did like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest and interesting videos.